Did you hear? Rohan's new neighbor is a zoologist. What's a zoologist, you wonder? A zoologist is someone who studies the life processes of animals. Either way, today Rohan's zoologist neighbor invited him over for tea. When Rohan got there, the first thing he noticed was a green board with pictures of various animals on it. Above these pictures was a label that read Vertebrates. Curious, Rohan asked him what the word means. All animals that have backbones are called vertebrates, the zoologist said. He further added that vertebrates are classified into 5 categories. Then he pointed at the first picture and asked Rohan to identify it. It was a fish. Then he explained to Rohan that fish belong to the class Pisces. They have special modifications called fins which help them swim in water. Then Rohan asked him how fish breathe in water, to which he explained that fish have special organs called gills through which they breathe underwater. The next image was that of a frog. Frogs can live both on land and in water, and so they belong to the class Amphibians. Animals that belong to this class breathe through their skin in water and through their lungs on land. The next image was that of a turtle, and we all know how turtles crawl very slowly. Now, all creepy crawly animals belong to the class Reptilia. Animals of this class are the first terrestrial animals, that is, the first ones to adapt to life on land. Their bodies are covered with scales. The next picture was that of a pigeon. Ever wondered how birds fly? Well, Rohan's zoologist friend explained to him that birds have a special physical modification called wings in addition to hollow bones that make their bodies lighter. Hence, birds can fly easily. Other than that, birds also have a mouth in the form of a beak and no teeth. The next picture was that of a human being. And what class do human beings belong to? Well, mammals. Mammals are the only animals that can feed milk to their young ones. We've all seen dogs feeding their puppies, right? Mammals also have fur or hair on their bodies and external ears, noses, and special types of teeth with which they can chew food before they swallow. Fascinated much? Well, vertebrates are rather interesting. Perhaps if you look deeper, you'll be thrilled to learn more about them.